Did you know that crows are among the most intelligent creatures on Earth? These remarkable birds are known for their problem-solving abilities and use of tools. In one famous experiment, crows bent a piece of wire to create a hook, which they then used to retrieve food from a container. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Crows can recognize human faces, remember who has been kind or hostile to them, and even communicate this information to other crows. They have been observed dropping nuts on roads for cars to crack open and using sticks to extract insects from tree bark. Their ability to adapt and innovate makes them true avian geniuses. Next time you see a crow, remember, you might just be looking at one of nature's smartest toolmakers.